Meanwhile, climber Steve Backshall and Dr. Katie Walter have been traveling down the Mendenhall Glacier, trying to see if water is flowing between the ice and bedrock below it. They discover a moulin, an ice tunnel carved by meltwater. Usually, moulins are filled with rushing water.
This is glorious!
But the surface channels that carved this one have shifted, and it's easy for Steve to descend.
Oh, look at that! Hey, you two! You're gonna love this. Get yourselves down!
Dr. Katie Walter climbs down to join Steve. This is a rare sight, even for glaciologist Dr. Michelle Kopis. The team is now certain that water is flowing between rock and the ice above it.
On the other side, you can see exactly how it is that the ice flows.
For Michelle, this is significant proof that water is helping to slide the massive glacier down slope.
This is what the ice is flowing on. And you can imagine you add just a little bit of water at this contact, you can get the ice to flow much faster over this hard rock. You warm up the temperatures and you increase the amount of meltwater coming through these moulins. They come right to this point, and they help that ice flow.
Some glaciers are moving twice as fast as they were a few decades ago.
I've never been down this far in the glacier before, and I'm not sure I want to spend a lot of time down here.
Millions of tons of ice are pressing down on the cave, making it unstable. It's time to move out. They have one more stop to make before they complete their journey down the glacier.